Hello viewers, my name is Mike Tibello. I'm a tutor with Mtech Tutorial Hub. In today's lecture, I'm going to show you how you can hide and unhide your file in Windows 10. Well, here we go. Assume you want to hide this file called a school fees folder. You want to hide it. You can easily do that by right clicking, then click on properties, then check hide checkbox here, then click on OK. Now it's asking you either you want the changes to apply to this folder only or even to the subfolder and some files. Okay, I want the changes to apply to this folder and subfolders and files as well. You can now click OK. The folder has now been hidden. Then how do we unhide the folder, or how do we see the folder again? You can easily see the folder by going to Explorer. Click on Explorer, then you click on View tab, then next you click on this options. You click, then this dialog box comes out, then you click on View, then you show hidden file or folder and drivers. Okay, you uncheck this too. Uncheck hide protected operating system file. Uncheck it. Now ask you have chosen to display protected operating system file labeled system and hidden in File Explorer. What you do is to click yes, and click OK, apply, then OK. You go back. I know you can now see your hidden folder, school fees. Look at it here. The color differs from this because it's a hidden folder. Look at the hidden files that we have opened here. Hidden files. Then how do we remove the hidden options entirely from the folder? We can do that by still right clicking, property, then click on hidden, then apply, then apply all changes to this folder, subfolders and file. Then you click OK. Now it's back again. Look at the color. It's the same thing with other folders, meaning we have unhide the folder. Okay, so I want to hide my hidden files here. All I need to do is to now click on the option, okay, and click View tab, then do not show hidden file, folder or drivers, then uncheck hide empty drivers, hide extension for non-file type, then hide folder merge conflict, then the last one here, hide operating system file recommended, then click apply, then OK. And that's all. So school fees folder is here. So please, if this has helped you, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you, and see you next time in my subsequent videos.